Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the May 2025 Allure Beauty Box to show you. Would you like to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so again, the May Allure Beauty Box just arrived. So for this box, we could choose an item, and I've already chose my item for next month's box. So if you want to know what the product would be inside of this box for the customization, it is between 4 different colors of a Fenty Beauty blush. They had a summertime wine, a petal poppin', a lolly poppy, and a sundress SZN, maybe season or something, was the 4 different colors that you can choose for this box. And then for June's box, you get to choose between 4 different colors, and it is the Buxom Lip Liner, plumping lip liner, and you get to choose between 4 different colors. I really love when they do that. I think only one box that I've had so far now being subscribed, we didn't have an item to customize, but every other box there has been, so, and even next month, so I think that's great. Let's go ahead and dive in and we'll see what products we have. I only know of the blush product, and I know which one I chose for you guys. I chose a different color. I don't wear blush, so I definitely chose it for you guys. Oh, here's a sneak peek to inside of the box. You always have their pamphlet right on top with this gorgeous woman right here. Inside of the magazine will go over the products, and it will tell you the retail value for the full size products. Some products in here are sample sizes and some are full size. So it will tell you what size sample you have and what the full size product would be. But again, everything is down inside of this magazine ready for you. Then there is a Happy Mother's Day. It looks like they have a Mother's Day special on this big old kit right there. And it looks like it's a $575 value for $99. So there's that available. Now when we remove the tissue paper, there's a sneak peek to inside of the box. So let's go ahead and go with that customized product first, since you already know we have the Fenty Beauty product in here. So here is the packaging. This definitely is going to be a full size product. This right here, retail values for $28. So this product alone pays for this entire box. And again, that's why I really like Allure, because normally one product pays for the entire box. So again, you have the 4 different colors that you can choose from. Again, $28 for this guy. Is it completely sealed? I think I can open the sides just so I can show you what the color would be. It looks like that's the color right there though. I went with like that berry color. It is the summertime wine. To me, it just looked really pretty. Again, I don't use blush, so I thought that was a really cool color to choose for a future giveaway for one of you guys. It's a little, the way that it's shaped. Oh, that's different. Look at the packaging. That's so fun. So I bet you that's the color right there. And then just to remove this to show you without touching it, that is the color. That is actually really pretty, that wine color. So this is the one that I chose for you guys. Again, I just thought that would be a cool little color. I mean, I'm sure you could probably use it as an eyeshadow if you wanted to, but I thought that was a really pretty color to choose from between those 4 colors. So here's the first item, again, valued at $28. Okay, so next up we have a product by Color Wow. It says Rise the Root Thicken and Lift Spray. I don't put thickening products in my hair, so I will gladly pass this down for one of you guys. It says that the retail value is $24 for 150 ml. What's included in the box is a 50 ml. So this is the sample size, not a full size, but if you like it, you can buy the full size. That's 150 ml. It says to spritz the mist whenever you want volume, your length, roots, you name it. Then style your hair however you would normally. So to give you a little oomph, to give you some volume, there is that. Next, we have a product from Aceology, and it says Passion Fruit Refining Lip Scrub. Ooh, I love a good lip scrub. So this I will definitely use. And this is the full-size product valued for $29. So the 2 full-size products already are both each individually valued more than this entire box. So it says, squeeze a tiny bit onto your clean fingertips and massage and scrub in circular motions over your lips for about 30 seconds. Rinse it away and treat your lips with a lip balm and or color like a lip gloss. And passion fruit, bet you, I wonder if it's gonna smell good. Let's see. It has a seal. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. It smells so good. Kind of smells like a fruit roll-up. That's what I'm smelling, but it smells delicious. So there is the lip scrub down inside. Put a little on your finger, rub it around, rinse it off, and then add a lip balm. Again, valued for $29. Okay, so next up we have is a product by Elemis, and it's the Peptide 4 Plumping Pillow Facial. And the full-size product is a 50 ml for $75. Inside our box, we have a sample 15 ml. So 50 ml is a full size. This is a 15 ml sample size to try out. Smooth it on before you turn in for the night and rinse your skin clean in the morning. I personally don't like the ones you have to rinse off in the morning because I never want to sit there in the morning like, what did I put on last night? Do I have to wash my face in the first thing? Do I not? So I like the ones you can just leave on your face. They give you moisture while you sleep and then you wake up and you're good. You don't have to rinse them off. So this product I will gladly pass down to one of you guys to test out and see if you guys like it. So there's that one. Next, it looks like we have a shampoo and conditioner sample. The retail value is $28 for a 600 ml, and in our box we have a 20 ml. Big difference. So you have these little samples here. You can take them with you if you're traveling, or you can try them. Sometimes these are a little small, like I use more conditioner than these little samples, but I'll definitely try it out and see how it does. It's a hydrating shampoo and a hydrating conditioner. So there's that you can test out. In the shower, lather your roots with the shampoo, rinse, then condition your lengths and ends and rinse. Very simple. Okay, so next up, it looks like we have a Perfect Glow. This one here looks like it would have been at random one of 3 different products. It shows like one has like a pink, it says collagen firming. One says Hydra Plus, and then the Perfect Glow. Perfect Glow. It says to snap the ampule open at the lower colored ring, smooth its contents into clean skin, and then follow with a moisturizer. The retail value is $50, $45, or $35, depending on which one you got. And that's for a 14 ml. What's included in the box is a 2 ml. So this is not the full size. This is a sample that you can test out. And that is the product right there. So I will put this in a future giveaway for somebody to test out and hopefully like. But again, that is the sample size. So there's one item left in this box, and it is by Haus Labs. That's by Lady Gaga. I think I have one product of hers, I think maybe it's like a lip liner or something, or maybe a lip gloss. I can't remember. But that is really neat because, again, I don't have a whole lot. I only have like one product. So that's great. This here is Hybrid Lip Glaze in Guava, and it's a retail value of $26, and this is a full-size product. So 3 full-size products inside here, all worth over the box each. So that's awesome. It looks like it comes in this really pretty neutral color. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this, and I'm gonna swatch it and show you guys because it looks like a really pretty color. I don't normally do things with my lips, but at least I can show you what it looks like. And again, it's something from the Lady Gaga line that I don't have. So here's the Haus Labs. And that is what it looks like. Oh, it's just like a lip gloss, like really, really light. There's not even a whole lot of color to it. So I'm so glad that I opened it. I thought it was going to be like an actual like lipstick. So it's just a little color. Oh, I will use that. I'm shocked. It feels nice. Just gives you a little tiny bit of color. Look at that. I'm really glad that I opened that to show you guys. So there is that product. So a quick recap for everything that is inside of this May box. You have this lip gloss that I'm loving. You have an Elemis product. You have a Perfect Glow and a shampoo and conditioner to test out. The lip scrub is a full-size product too. You have the Color Wow and then the Fenty Beauty highlighter. Okay, you guys. So that was everything that came in this box, and I'm actually thinking this is a really great box. If you like a little bit more information about the Allure Beauty Box for their pricing, I will let you know right about now. I do have them listed down below in the description box if you like to hop on over to their site to see what they have to offer. So their current specials are the first box you can get $10 off, making it $19.99. Then it will renew at $29.99 per box. You can cancel at any time. You will have a free Fenty perfume, a free $10 store credit to shop their shop, and then you get to choose this month's blush option for the different color choice, and then there's free US shipping. If you like to save some money, you can go to the quarterly box. It's 10% off, making it $79 for the first 3 boxes. If you want to save a little bit more, you can go to the annual membership. It's 20% off, making it $287 for 12 full boxes. You get all of those extra perks with the free US shipping, but you also get this free bonus box that's valued at $265 or higher. So all of that is included in the annual membership. So you get a whole lot more perks going to the annual if you can afford it and do it. If not, you can do month per month, whichever you like. But again, they will all be listed down below if you would like to check them out. So that is everything for this June box. Again, comment down below and let me know what would be your favorite item in here. Would you love this entire box? Definitely let me know. If you would like to check out other companies, other discount codes, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I do so many different types of videos. If something comes up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so now that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.